Welcome to ATech. Today we will discuss that how you can exit a group. So first of all, open your WhatsApp, then select the group that you want to leave. So on top, click on the name of the group. Here you can see all the settings and information about the group. So in the bottom you can see two options, exit group and report group. So I want to exit the group. I will click on it. So after clicking you can see three options, exit, cancel and archive instead. So I will select exit. So after some processing I left the group successfully. You can see the notification by WhatsApp that you can't send messages to this group because you are no longer a participant. So in this way, in just 2 steps you can delete your or exit your WhatsApp group. So if you like the video, please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thanks.